Welcome to this timeless gem. Built in 1980 by a master bricklayer, this solid double brick home has stood the test of time. As you step into the property, take off your shoes and feel the earth beneath your feet. Located just a little over 500 metres from McMaster's Beach, this spacious family home offers the perfect blend of modern comfort and natural beauty. Inside, discover freshly renovated spaces, modern appliances and a cosy open fireplace. Step outside into the lush backyard, feel the grass underfoot and enjoy moments of simple joy, from collecting fresh eggs in the chook pen to unwinding or entertaining in your own private outdoor space. With full privacy and the natural beauty of the Budai National Park nearby, this home is a sanctuary that grounds you in comfort and nature. Experience the harmony of indoor and outdoor living and the endless possibilities this property offers. This wall is a timeline of the current family's history here, and now ready for you to create your own journey.